Hi, I'm Peanut. Today we will discuss about the sounds of some animals of Mother Earth. So now let's see which animals we have here today. Animal Sounds Part 2. The first animal we have here is cow. And the sound that a cow makes is moo. Then we have goat. The sounds that a goat makes are bleat and maa. Moving on to the next animal, we have sheep. The sounds that a sheep makes are ba, ma, and me. Then we have the squirrel. The sound that a squirrel makes is squeak. Similar to the squirrel, the next animal, which is rabbit, makes the same sound, which is squeak. Now let's see which animal we have next. Is the pig. The sounds that a pig makes are oink, snort, squeal, and grunt. The next we have is the cat. And the sounds that a cat makes are mew, meow, purr, hiss, trill, and growl. Now moving on to the next animal, we have the dog. And the sounds that a dog makes are bark, howl, and growl. Then we have the horse. And the sounds that a horse makes are neigh, whinny, and nicker. The next animal we have on the list is the donkey. And the sound that the donkey makes is hee-haw. Next we have is the koala. And the sounds that a koala makes are bellow and shriek. The next animal we have is the badger. The sound that a badger makes is growl. Moving on to the next animal, that's the guinea pig. And the sound that a guinea pig makes is weak. Now let's see who's next on the list. We have the hamster. And the sound that a hamster makes is squeak. Moving on to the next animals, we have the rat and the mouse. And the sound that these two animals make is squeak. So that brings us to the end of our list for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey. And in the meantime, for more fun adventures, you can also go ahead and check out the other videos on our channel. Now we know the sounds of some different animals. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.